G'day, Tim and Kyle here from CARÅclub, and today we're cooking with Sticks and Stones Outdoor Kadai Indian fire pits.
Today we're cooking steaks with a lovely South American churrasco style rub with a zesty salsa verde sauce.
And jerk chicken with grilled vegetables.
For the rub we're going to start with smoked paprika, dried thyme, ground coriander, dried oregano, salt and pepper, and garlic powder. Just going to give that a bit of a mix up and she's ready to go. Then we're going to put a nice lug of olive oil in these Scotch fillets and on goes the seasoning. Flip them over. A little bit more oil and a little bit more seasoning. And these are ready for the barbie.
For the salsa verde, we want to blend together some shallots, gherkins, garlic, some red chili, capers, oregano, some lemon, salt and pepper, coriander, parsley, and a generous serving of olive oil.
A great zesty sauce that goes very well with all barbecued meats, Tim.
For the marinade for the jerk chicken, we want to combine some Spanish onion, some lime juice and white wine vinegar, soy sauce, some spring onions, garlic, a little bit of thyme, some chili, some brown sugar, allspice, ginger, cracked black pepper, and again some olive oil. Once it's all blitzed together, nice and smooth, we want to get it on top of that chicken.
We want to chuck her on and put it in the fridge for a couple hours to marinate. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. These char-grilled vegetables make a perfect side for these meats. So all we're going to do is keep it super simple, plenty of olive oil,
Bit of salt, mate.
pepper, and they're ready for the grill. Our Kadai Indian fire pit has been cranking down for about an hour, so it's time to get the steaks on, Tim. Oh, listen to that sizzle. So we're going to cook these steaks for a couple minutes on each side. They're going to have that beautiful charcoal flavour. On goes the chicken. Probably cook these for about 4-5 minutes each side until the chicken's cooked through. All right, mate, so we'll chuck these veggies on so they get a nice bit of colour on them.
The Kadai fire pit is awesome. It's so multi-use. You can use it as a fire pit, as a barbie, and we love cooking over coals.
Looks about done. It's time to eat.
To grab your Kadai fire pit, head to Sticks and Stones Outdoor in THEBARTON, South Australia.
Or head to the website.
Cheers.